Hi everyone, it's Lana here from Winterfield Studios. I hope you're all having a great day so far. I am super excited to share with you an alternate layout that you can create in your planner using the Plant Life Scene Sticker Kit, as well as the coordinating houseplant Art Deco stickers, which you're seeing right now. So those Art Deco stickers, they're essentially 4 different sheets that include hanging plants, herbs, plants and planters, as well as a couple of long horizontal planters that are 2 box width. So you can fit it across 2 boxes, which is kind of fun. And then I also paired it with a lot of the functional stickers from the Plant Life Scene Sticker Kit. So what you're seeing right now is actually the alternate add-on washi for the Plant Life Scene Sticker Kit. The first washi is the ivy that you probably saw in the last Plan With Me video that I posted. And this one features a little bit more of a greenery scene. So it's an alternate layout for this kit. And I just had to create it because I thought it'd be kind of neat to have 2 different looks. With this spread, I'm also using the foiled cluster boxes. So essentially, I printed off a full sheet of the rosebud sheet with the leaves, because as I was doing it, I realized I'm going to need more than a couple here to create the spread that I wanted. But the sheets that come on the listing are flexible so that you can kind of mix and match based on what you want to do. I thought it would be neat to change things up a little bit. Normally, date covers are obviously at the top of your spread. And in this one, I really wanted to have the really pretty leaf washi at the top, and so that I could have my hanging plants come through, which you're going to see shortly here. So what I did is changed it up and kind of went a little nuts and included the date covers at the bottom. I know a few times when I was designing this and creating this video, I kept flipping my page thinking, is this upside down? What have I done here? Is this going to work? But as you can see right now, it's allowing me to use those hanging plants in the spread and have them kind of hanging from the top, which is really what I wanted. I'm also using the new foiled cluster shape collection, which features the same foiled patterns from the foiled cluster box collection, but in unique and random shapes. So essentially they're not cut in squares or rectangles or circles or hearts or anything like that. They're just kind of random shapes that I created so that you can layer them behind or on top or to the side, or use the standalone stickers in your planner. If you take a look at my Instagram feed for this coming week, you'll see how I've used them laid on top of full box stickers, so it creates a really pretty shimmer effect that looks a little bit random, which I really kind of like, and I think it's a little bit fun. I also layered them behind stickers like you see right now with the hanging plants, and then I also used them as standalone pieces just to add a little bit of shimmer to the spread and emphasize the look of foil, which I think is always nice, especially when the light catches it with this hollow foil. So as you can see, I definitely like to change things up, push the limits of creativity. I tend to actually dream about these spreads, and that's where the ideas come to life from my dreams, and then putting them together in Illustrator, and then creating the stickers for you guys. So if you really like different looks and layouts and are not scared to try something new, feel free to follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Winterfield Studios and on Facebook. And if you didn't know, we have a VIP Facebook group that you can join. Essentially, you'll get a lot of the new releases in there, heads up about those. We do monthly giveaways and shop credits. And I think it's a great way to kind of just chat with other planners and get inspired and see what's new with the shop. Because with these types of spreads, I think it's a lot of fun to talk about them in the group, and we have we're now starting to do monthly challenges as well, which are neat and a great way to stay connected and engage with other planners. So this spread really does feature a great alternative way, in my opinion, for you to use the Plant Life Scene Sticker Kit, as well as the Houseplant Art Deco stickers. There's so many different ways that you can use these products. It's not just one way to use them. So I really can't wait to see what you guys all come up with. But until then, happy planning, and I really hope you have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.